This is just a review on one of the FM radios I purchased, and this one is kind of cool. I'm gonna keep this one in original form. I'm not gonna turn it into a computer. And what's nice about this one, it has actually a clock up front, and you can set up the alarm, and you can actually check out the date also by pressing. There's actually a nice, it has actually 3 buttons, you can tell, and it's actually nice. On the side, volume, buzz for the alarm, and on this side it's got nice options. In the back, just antenna, monitor has a battery case, and it can be turned. And this one looks kind of like gray. It's nice. I fixed actually. I actually purchased and I turned it on and it didn't function. There was no sound. Then I found out that the speaker wires were all broken off, and I fixed that. And you can turn it on actually. And you can search for the station here. Yeah. Works nice. So, just gonna keep this in original form. I don't see many of them around. It's nice. That's all.